All right, so what you're going to plead to is allowing an unlicensed driver to operate. So, if you gave your nephew who's 15 your car and said, go up and get milk at the store, he's not licensed, that's the ticket you'd get. So that tells Secretary of State that you gave somebody the right to drive your car that shouldn't have. That somebody just happens to be you. Mr. Lee, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney? Did you read your rights form? You understand the options you have and the rights that give you those options?
I'm not sure I fully understand.
Do you have any questions I can answer? Go ahead.
Being put off on revoke versus without operating license on person. I just want to know.
The main, you mean the difference between what you're getting ready to plead to and what you're charged with?
What I'm pleading to and the original charge.
Yeah. So original charge, bottom line is the 2 points. The drove while license suspended, you're going to get 2 points from Secretary of State. With the no valid operator's license on person, you're not going to get those 2 points. The Secretary of State may give you a longer suspension because this charge on your record, when that hits today, it'll show them that on February 12th, you were driving. So they might resuspend you, but it will not be points.
Okay. With my situation, Your Honor, I caught 30 UWI. My license was suspended for 5 years. And I made it to 4 years and 9 months, and they were suspended again because I got caught out doing revoke.
Right. Right.
That's our goal is on work.
Right.
So they were suspended for another 5 years. So next year, it'll be that 5th year, which altogether is like 10 years. I've been without a license.
Yep.
Like I'll completely turn my life around. I'll completely put down alcohol since the last incident and just been on the straight and narrow. And to working home, literally, I missed out on family events.
Where are you working at?
Bros Inc. New Boston.
Yeah, the lighting place. Yeah. Yeah.
I just been on the straight and narrow. And beside that, like you catch lifts and Ubers. I got a bunch of
Ton of money.
a lot going on. My kid got called over this summer.
Where are you going with all this?
Where I'm going with it is, and this reached the Secretary of State, and they suspended another 5 years, like 15.
Okay, stop there. Miss Manarino,
Yes, Judge.
Elijah Lee,
Yes.
DWLS down to no ops, February 12, 2026. He's been 10 years without his license because of drinking and driving charges. Last time he got an extra 5, it's because he got popped driving while he was revoked. I
Okay.
think the no ops is going to do the same thing and add another 5 years.
So we amend it to an allowing.
He's a working guy. Yep. he
Yeah,
works
that's
at
fine. We can do
Bros.
that.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Miss Manarino. She just saved you that 5 years. All right, so what you're going to plead to is allowing an unlicensed driver to operate. So, if you gave your nephew who's 15 your car and said, go up and get milk at the store, he's not licensed, that's the ticket you'd get. So that tells Secretary of State that you gave somebody the right to drive your car that shouldn't have. That somebody just happens to be you. Okay? Understood? All right. I think I got this already, but February 12, 2026, were you driving a vehicle in Romulus? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to the added charge. What kind of shift you work at Bros?
I work day shift. I work 6 to 2. I'll left work to come in.
All right. What days? Monday through Friday?
Monday.
They're working you 6 days? Good for you. All right. All right. Usually I would do 4 days on the work program, but I don't want you to have to take work days off to do that. So I'm going to convert your work days to community service hours. Did you hear me explain to the lady in front of you how that works? Did you hear me explain community service to the lady in front of you? It's charity work. All right, on the funny. That's money and fines and costs all rolled together.
It works.
On the money, fines and costs are $500. Can you pay that today or do you need options? Go downstairs, same counter where you're going to schedule or ask about 30 hours community service. If you want our list, is where you set up your payment plans. Looks like you owe us $90 on a 2022 balance due on that ticket. So just put it all together, one payment plan. Questions? You all set? Good luck with that license. Listen, when you're ready to go get your license, go talk to an attorney that does license restorations. It's gonna cost you money, but it'll save you time. Because what happens with most people that try it without a lawyer is they set up a hearing through the Secretary of State and they go to the driver's license appeal division. And the hearing officer says, okay, do this, do this, do this, do this, bring me that, bring me this, and then come back and see me in X number of months. If you see an attorney that does that for a living, they'll have all your ducks in a row. So when you go into the hearing, you probably get some privileges. It'll cost you, but I mean, how much does it cost you the last 10 years paying for rides? An attorney's a bargain. All right, so keep that in mind when you're ready. You're welcome. Good luck.
Pardon, because I gotta get a name. Xavier, what's the last name, sir? Okay, can you remove your cover for me, please, sir? Thank you.
Can you find it?
I'm still looking.
Are you working?
Yeah.
Where do you work? How long you been with Waste?
That's why not resolve to them with family, with family, that's has not dribbled since the date of the
Good.
state.
You want to put her on for the June 18th date?
So,
You want to put her on for June 18th? All right, I'll put her on a personal bond. You want to do it at 9 o'clock again?
thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Norton, thank you. Ms. Norton, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. The first two conditions are pretty obvious. Number one, stay out of trouble. Number two, show up for court on June 18th at 9 a.m. Third condition, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. Can you abide by those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw that up? You mess up on bond, you go to jail, it's gonna cost you $1,000 to get out. Understood? Any questions? You're all set. We'll get you notice, get you out of here. Mr. Bodri, come on up. Counsel, we've got the file.
649 inside the period. We saw the judge and have they concluded.
Thank you.
Pre-trials of these arrests, the arraignment or show cause, set aside the show cause as it relates to the arraignment, waive formal leading plea not guilty. As it relates to pre-trial, prosecutors agreed to dismiss the original driving unlicensed suspended subject to the benefit of guilty charge of allowance on person defended by rights.
Okay. All right, Mr. Bodri, you understand those rights? You understand the options presented to you because of those rights? And you understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge? Doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, did you drive a vehicle in Ramos on October 25, 25? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Satisfied, counsel?
Thank you.
I'll accept the plea and dismiss the original charge. Tell me something about Mr. Bodri so I can sentence today.
Defendant's 20 years old, works, lives with family, Your Honor, as a child on the way to sin.
Congrats.
His license, has not ever had a license,
Mhm.
appreciates that habit. This is gonna.
Okay, so when this hits his record, they're probably gonna resuspend him.
It's gonna be suspended for sure. He's being, we're aware of that.
Okay.
About that. So.
Where are you working?
My warehouse,
How long?
since November.
Full time? Good. What do they pay?
Now,
You gotta get a better job. What's the plan?
they got this, some kind of stuff there right now.
Right. What have you done besides Myers?
Worked at DTW. At the aircraft.
Okay, okay. How soon do you think he's gonna be able to get his license back? With this suspension?
And it's gonna, as soon as this hits, it's at least 30 days, like go back in there.
Is he eligible right now?
I believe he is eligible right
If
now.
if this case didn't exist, could you go to Secretary of State and get your license?
I would be, I
Is
would,
Greco here today or Angela? Angela. I'm gonna beat her up a little bit.
Yes, Judge.
I wanna beat you up a little bit.
Okay, what's going on?
Mr. Bodri's 20 years old. He's got a baby on the way. He needs to get a good job. I've got a real good job prospect for him, but he's got to get his license. And if he pleads to a no ops, he's 30 days out before he can get his license.
Okay, you want to do an allowing?
Will you?
Yeah, that's fine.
thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
This is going to be a nasty job. I mean, hard work, messy, wet, muddy. I think he's going to start you at 19 or 20 bucks an hour. He'll work you. He'll work you enough that you'll just go home, crawl into bed and sleep. That's what you need right now. Okay? You need to be working 60, 70-hour weeks while you're young and healthy. So when you're old and worn out like I am, you don't have to work so hard. Okay? Get your license straightened out. Call him first. Tell him, I got that card from Oakley. I'm getting my license straightened out this week, whatever you can do. And I want to know if you can look at me to hire me. All right? And then let me know what happens. All right, so we're going to change this to an allow unlicensed driver to operate.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, what else should I know before I sentence?
20 years old, doing the right thing.
Right.
Southeast Michigan, no prior criminal record, all that good stuff.
I'm not gonna just give you a birthday present. I'm gonna give you your Christmas present too. Fines and costs on this file, $600, or show me a valid operator's license within 30 days. I'm paying you $600 to get your license. You understand how that works? Go away.
Judge, she has a bond. I don't know if you want.
Okay, I'm gonna keep $150 of your bond, and then I'm gonna pay you $450 to get your license. Go away. Good luck. Thanks. All right, that only happens once a day, so don't get your hopes up. Okay. Mr. Bowditch, how about, is it Mathers?
Matt, yes, sir. They rock for the record, they're about clearing on behalf of, and this is Mr. Mathis, he's approaching. Sir, if you give the judge anything, record, please.
Michael Nestus.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's date, time set for Raymond in this matter, reading stand, also at Tim, in this case, we are requesting an adjournment. We were hoping we could get on the June 18th docket.
Time?
No.
Mr. Mathis, is Lauren Graves somebody that you know, or is that a stranger to you?
Oh, strangers.
All right, so no reason for you to have any contact with him. You saw him at McDonald's, you go eat at Burger King.
I already have.
All right. So I'm gonna order no contact.
Mathis?
Yes. THES. So no contact means no phone calls, no letters, no social media contact. You see him at Burger King, you're eating at McDonald's, you got it, no contact. I'll put you on a personal bond. Stay out of trouble, show up for court, and no contact keeps you out of jail. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond? Any questions? Have a seat, we'll get you notice, get you on your way. You're welcome. Jalen Estelle.
Right, Your Honor.
Did I pronounce the last name correctly? Thank you.
You're on the court, Sheriff Ballot, 45367, appearing on behalf of, and still, sir, did you tell us the name? Thanks. Your Honor, today's date and time set for Raymond in this matter, waiting for reading stand. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case. You have an executed plea agreement, subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mr. Estelle will be pleading guilty to the charge of operating while physically.
Okay. Mr. Estelle, you understand your rights and the options presented? You understand the possible penalty for this charge, the added charge? All right. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the charge today freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on August 18, 2025 after consuming alcohol? Was there a breath test or a blood test?
I'm not certain about it. But this was all a voluntary act by Mr. Estelle. He came in exactly claiming what happened.
Okay. Well, let's put it this way. Looking back on it now, on August 18, 2025, was your ability to operate your vehicle visibly impaired due to your consumption of alcohol?
Yes.
Satisfied? All satisfied.
All right. I've accepted your plea. I've dismissed the original charge. I'm going to send you downstairs to make a date with the probation department. You'll come back and be interviewed by probation. Based on the interview, they're going to do a report and recommendation. You'll go over that with Mr. Bowditch when you come back for sentencing. I will have looked at that report and then we'll have a conversation before I sentence you. Understood?
Yes.
Your bond is continued. No questions?
Judge.
No questions? Yes, Your Honor. Okay, I got that. And go downstairs and get, that's all right. Go down, bad questions, get bad answers. Go downstairs and get your dates.
On Carol this holiday, you have somebody that's locked and she ever did her a warrant, have running them. She's just gonna send her over.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, just add it in. What's one more? Darius Dunlap.
Ready? And you're on the court record, you have time to bring on behalf of, and you look down like. That's it. Yeah, you make, that's it.
Good morning, sir.
Please take time. Reading the chart stand, also had a chance at this case. In this matter, Mr. Dunlap, we should plead guilty to an added. No operator's license on person, with the understanding the original charge would be dismissed.
Okay. Mr. Dunlap, you understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for this charge? Are you pleading guilty today to that charge? Doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on April 10, 2025 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Satisfied?
Satisfied then?
I'll accept the plea to the added charge, dismiss the original. Still valid or still suspended? Are you valid now?
Just have to take 1 second off.
Good. Are you working? Where at?
I'll work for security though,
How long?
like 2 years.
Okay. All right. Looks like you already owe us some money on some other stuff. Are you on a payment plan on those?
I will be.
You can get that in place before you leave?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Monthly, weekly? How you gonna do it?
Do it every weekly.
Okay, all right. All right, so the money I'm gonna assess today, you can just roll it all together. All right, what kind of shift are you on?
Nice.
So if I order work program for you, which means you pick the days and those days you have to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning for about 6, 7 hours, can you do that?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm gonna order 4 days on the work program. All right, fines and costs, $600. I'm gonna send you down to the collections counter to set up your payment plan. So you're gonna owe us $1,310 and schedule your work days. Any questions? Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Amanda Bradley, good morning, Mr. Hadley.
Judge. No, you have the record. Judge, I lived on behalf with Miss Amanda Bradley, who was stating the
Good morning.
full reading the stand mute as pleaded not guilty for arraignment purposes. We have reached a resolution.
Tell me all about it.
The A matter, Your Honor, the expired license, and the B matter, 11 to 15, are both going to be dismissed. Both to be guilty to the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And Ms. Bradley is the holder of a valid license.
Awesome. Awesome. All right, did you discuss your rights with Mr. Hadley? You understand those rights and the options they give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for this added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily today? Were you suspended on February 22nd? No, were you expired on February 22nd, 2026 when you drove a vehicle in Romulus? Satisfied, counsel? So am I. Love the green and yeah, just very, very springy. Yeah, very springy. Well, the tie's nice. Anything else I should know before I sentence?
I kind of live with the allocution. I mean, she went out and took care of everything she needed to do. She's balanced good. Otherwise,
Working?
Yes.
Where at?
Ready to get work.
Who for?
Here, Bodri.
How long?
2 years.
Good, good. All right, fines and costs are $400. Can you pay that today or do you need options?
2 weeks, that should be good.
You want me to just give you a due date?
Yeah, that's fine.
22nd, plenty of time?
Yeah. 22nd?
yep,
Yeah.
she.
That's perfect.
All right. You're all set. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hernandez.
Everything on that, it's not fine. Mr. Julian Hernandez, from today's pre-trial. Yes, please state the record, sir. Julian Hernandez. Your Honor, we did adjourn this matter to review discovery, discuss options with the prosecution. We have reached a resolution. At this time, both original charges are going to be amended. The OWI will be amended down, operating while visibly impaired.
Yep.
Be tendering a guilty plea. The driving while license suspended would be amended down to a no ops. So we'd be tendering a guilty plea to that as well.
All right. Mr. Hernandez, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Hadley?
Yes.
Did you understand all those rights and the options presented?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty to the added charges? Understanding all that, are you pleading guilty to these added charges freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on May 15 last year?
Yes.
And prior to driving, did you drink some alcohol?
Yes.
And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Was there a breath or blood test?
Drug test, and this one, that was actually part of the discovery. Let's call it a typo entry at the MSP that created a little bit.
Okay. Would you stipulate that the blood test result was 0.08 or more? You satisfied?
We are, yeah.
I'll accept the plea to the added charges, dismiss the originals. All right, I'm going to send Mr. Hernandez down to probation to schedule a pre-sentence interview. We'll get you scheduled with that interview and a sentencing date. The interview leads to a report. You go over the report with counsel when you come back for sentencing. I'll look at the report. We'll have a conversation. I'll sentence you then. Understood? I'll continue bond in the meantime. Any questions, sir?
No.
Have a lovely day. James, is it Belafont? Did I say it right? Mr. Belafont, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? And you've met with the prosecutor and you made a deal, yes? Did you read your rights form? You understand all those rights? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that added charge today freely and voluntarily? All right. If I take a plea from you to no valid operator's license on person, when we tell Secretary of State what happened today, they're probably going to suspend you for another period of time. You understand that? And understanding that, you're still willing to plead guilty? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while your license was suspended on February 15 this year? I'll accept your plea to the no valid operator's license on person, and I will dismiss the original charge. Are you working, sir? Where do you work? How long you been there? Getting enough hours? Good. And what do you have to do to get your license back? All right, one ticket? Where at? All right, you on a payment plan with them? What do you owe them? What do you owe them? Okay. All right. If I order 4 days on the work program, can you get here 8 o'clock in the morning? All right, fines and costs on this file, Mr. Belafont, $500. Can you pay that today or need options? Go downstairs, set up some kind of payment plan, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever works for you. All right, I'll work with you on the money. Whatever you want to do, I'll work with you on the money. Go downstairs and set that up. All right, good luck to you, sir. Kyle Lowry. Did I say it right? You're representing yourself, no attorney today?
Yes, Sean.
Did you read your rights form? Understood those rights? Understand the options those rights give you? All right, looks like you made a deal with the prosecutor. Says you've agreed to pay $150, plead responsible to a civil infraction, double parking, and the misdemeanor would be dismissed. Is that your deal? And can you pay the $150 today? Calendar over there, if you can see the dates, tell me when you can pay it.
I get paid every 2 weeks.
That doesn't help me.
I guess it's gonna be Saturday.
Saturday?
A nervous wreck, prosecutors argued this wasn't one isolated moment. It was a dangerous pattern of behavior that made the victim feel unsafe in her own home. From threatening motions to repeated late-night encounters, the courtroom heard chilling testimony describing fear, intimidation, and emotional distress caused by the defendant's actions.